Hello everyone and welcome back to today's webinar. So today we have a remedy, Senecia gracilis, another very unsung remedy. And I learned this remedy from my friend come guru Dr. Rajarshi Mishra. He used to prescribe this remedy in cases of amenorrhea, and he used to prescribe in mother tincture, and it's just a miraculous remedy. In mother tincture, when he prescribed this remedy, the next day the female came to him and say, I didn't got menses from at least 3 months now, and after taking this remedy last night I got the menses today. Such an amazing remedy and got a miraculous result in homeopathy in cases of amenorrhea. You have to remember this remedy in cases of amenorrhea. So you first study the hierarchy. I always used to study. That's my way of learning. It's basically a dicotyledon. It's basically an angiosperm dicotyledon. Belong to the astrial subclass. We have to remember the astrial subclass, the sixth subclass, the most developed subclass, and the family Compositae. Compositae is all the family which have members like Chamomilla, Arnica, and Sina. Along with that, we have Senecio also. The part uses flower, and sometimes the whole part is used, mainly the flower. So if you look at the theme of Compositae, it's also known as Aristaceae family. The theme of Compositae is shock from being injured and insulted. So injury being the main theme of this family. Fear or hurt to be injured, touched, killed. Injury, shock, accident, scratch, birth, after. There is always a theme of injury in this family. Always a theme of injury. And for this particular remedy, that is the Senecio, what should be his injury? His injury is menses. His injury is menses. Whenever he get menses, he feel like he will hurt and injured. So what he do in injury? He got despair. Menses during. Menses is nothing but his injury. He got despair. Menses during. One of the major remedies, Senecio. Another, see, sometimes madness, mania, madness, when menses are suppressed. Another major remedy is Senecio. He developed that mania and madness during suppressed menses. He developed that along with Senecio and pulsatilla. We can't forget Senecio. And thinking aversion to menses during, the more he will think of injury, he didn't want to think of that injury. He didn't want to think of that injury. He didn't want to think of her menses. Thinking aversion to menses during. That is of Senecio, single medicine in complete repertory. Meditates. Now he tries to meditate. He don't want to concentrate on his injury. He don't want to concentrate whether he is hurt or not. Single medicine Senecio. We have to remember it. And we also know from the theme of sensation why he used to do that. He has such a fear of injury. He didn't go to that part in which he is injured. Another, this is particular rubric. Then I also remember Dr. Rajarshi also used this remedy along with any concomitant of uterine problem. If there is any problem, for example headache, irritation with bladder with, any uterine problem as a concomitant, think of Senecio. Think of Senecio. Pain, headache, irritation with bladder off. Think with the two medicine. One is Senecio. Interesting. So another rubric, headache, occiput extending forehead to forehead to sinciput, occiput to sinciput, headache. Another very important remedy is Senecio along with Calibacron and Bellispur. We have to remember it. Occiput to sinciput. Interesting. Along with very interesting, cramping, gripping, umbilicus region pain, bending forward hemorrhoid along with alloy and colocin. We have to think of Senecio sometime. बेंडिंग फॉरवर्ड एनुअल रेट, आगे बढ़ने से कम होता है दर्द. प्रोस्टेट इलाज, हार्डनेस, प्रोस्टेट इलाज, मेजर रेमेडी सेनेसियो. फाटक रिपोर्टेड, दैट्स ऑफ फाटक रोड. वी कांट इग्नोर फाटक थॉट्स. Another very important rubric which can give pain, cutting, sacral region, menses during, cutting pain in the sacral region, cutting pain, Senecio, major remedy. Another, menses painful, dysmenorrhea, abortion after dysmenorrhea, that too is very painful. Think of Senecio. We generally didn't think of, we go for Sabina or something like that. Think of Senecio. So what Boric wrote about it, we have to learn Boric as well. Boric is one of the major pathological book we have. Most important is the head. Wave-like dizziness from occiput to ciniput, that is given in the rubric as well. Sharp pain over the left eye and through the left temple. That's also we have to remember. Another very interesting is the uterine complaint. Scanty, high color, bloody with much mucus and tenesmus. Great heat and constant urging. Nephritis, that's the major pathological. This should be there. The letters, then Boric materia medica, the words which are given in particle, but in capital, that has to be matched with the pathology. Tenesmus, great heat and constant urging, and it has the symptom, it has the pathology of nephritis, then only it will work. Otherwise, it may not work. Enlarged prostate, menses retarded, suppressed, functional amenorrhea of young girl with backache. If young girl comes with suppressed menses, amenorrhea with backache, think of this remedy. So it's an interesting remedy, and I want you to use this in cases of amenorrhea. It has got some fantastic result in homeopathy. And I want to show reference to all my gurus who taught me so much. You can contact to me nishan25smilebox@gmail.com and do subscribe to my channel.